Welcome back, YouTube viewers. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to convert Word documents to PDF files using a fantastic online tool called I Love PDF. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone who needs to convert their files, this tutorial will guide you through the process. So let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.ilovepdf.com. Once the website loads, you'll see a simple and user-friendly interface. Click on the Word to PDF option on the website's homepage. You can either drag and drop your Word file onto the designated area or click the Select Word Files button to browse your computer and select the file manually. Choose the Word document you want to convert and click Open. After customizing the settings, if desired, click the Convert to PDF button. The conversion process will start, and you'll be able to monitor its progress on the screen. Once the conversion is complete, a Download button will appear. Click on Download to save the converted PDF file to your computer. Choose the destination folder where you want to store the file and click Save. I Love PDF offers a range of additional tools to enhance your PDF files. You can explore options like merging multiple PDFs, splitting a PDF into individual pages, adding watermarks, and much more. Feel free to experiment with these tools to see how they can benefit you. And there you have it, folks. You now know how to convert Word documents to PDF files using the convenient online tool, I Love PDF. It's a quick and straightforward process that can save you a lot of time and effort. So next time you need to convert a Word document, remember I Love PDF as your go-to solution. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.